Hey guys, it's Mrs. Clark. Today I'm going to show you how to fill out the Douglas Dare Reading Challenge Minute Collector form. So the first thing that you're going to do after you click on the link is type in your name, and then you're going to select your grade level. After you do that, you're going to scroll down and click the next button. It's going to prompt what grade level you're in, and then you're just going to choose your teacher. After you choose your teacher, you're going to click the next button, and then it's going to ask you for the week of the challenge. So we're going to pretend it's week 1, and then it's going to ask you how many books that you read. This should be the same as the number of books on your paper. So if you read 5 books this week, you're just going to type in the number 5. And then it's going to ask you if you remember to have your parents sign your log. You're going to click yes, and then click submit. Okay? If you are a TA in kindergarten through 2nd grade, you're going to click here where it says submit another response, and then put in the next information for your next student. Okay? Thank you guys so much for participating. I can't wait to see how many people we get to slime.